Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you the program to find the Fibonacci series. So firstly understand what is the Fibonacci series, and after that we discuss with the logic, what is the logic behind the Fibonacci series. So let's start with the definition. So what is the definition called by the Fibonacci series? So the definition of the Fibonacci series is the series in which the next term you have to find the next term, and the next term is the sum of its previous two term. Whatever the previous two term you have to find the third term, you have to adding the last two terms. So here in the Fibonacci series the first and second term is given, and let's start with the logic. What is the logic behind that? So now start. So here I am taken, firstly the first and second term is given. So starting with the first term is always 0 and second term is 1. Some people take the first term as 1 and second term as 2. That is not allowable. So we start with the 0 and 1. The first term is 0 and second term is 1, and after that we have to find the next term. So for next term we take the C variable, and after that how many terms you have to print, for that I taken the variable n, and absolutely we are take the loop. So for that loop I take the I variable. So now discussing the logic. So what is the, according to the definition of the Fibonacci series, the next term that I take C is equal to A plus B, the sum of its previous two term. This is the important logic we have to discuss. So next, starting with the loop, how the loop can be done. So the starting of loop is to the third statement. First and second is given, you have to find the third. So for third I start from the loop from 3. After that I is less than is equal to n and I plus plus. That is given starting from the third statement, and whatever we have to print the value of n, so that loop will be started accordingly. And after that in between there is A, C is equal to A plus B. After that whenever this term is going on, A is equal to B and B is equal to C. That is the only logic. So this is, I write here the logic behind the Fibonacci series. So let's run. So suppose I take the value of n is equal to 5. So how this loop can be run? So सबसे पहले I की वैल्यू 3 से शुरू होगी, ओके, और 5 तक चलेगी, ठीक है। सबसे पहले I की वैल्यू 3 से हुई, हमने यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है, पहला केस 3, इसके बाद 3, अब कंडीशन चेकआउट होगी, 3 इज लेस देन इज इक्वल टू 5, कंडीशन इज ट्रू, एंड आफ्टर दैट C इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B. व्हाट इज द C एंड A प्लस B? A की वैल्यू क्या है अभी, 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now A is equal to B. Now अब नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, जो A की वैल्यू, A की अब वैल्यू 0 नहीं रही, A की वैल्यू B के बराबर होगी, B की वैल्यू A के बराबर होगी, सॉरी। सो अब A में क्या आ गया हमारे पास 1, और B की C में एलोकेटेड होगी, और हमारे पास C की वैल्यू क्या अभी आई है 1, और ये जो C की वैल्यू है ये B में शिफ्ट हो जाएगी। अब B की वैल्यू क्या होगी 1, फिर से अब इंक्रीमेंट होगी स्टेटमेंट। सेकंड केस, नाउ अगेन द वैल्यू ऑफ I is equal to 4, sorry. So here I write 4, then the condition is checked, 4 is less than is equal to 5, condition is true. After that C, now C is equal to A प्लस बी. नाउ द सीरीज, हमारे पास सीरीज इस तरह से आ गई है, ये हमारे पास हो गया फर्स्ट, ये सेकंड एंड ये थर्ड। अब हमने फोर्थ टर्म के लिए निकालना है। अब C की वैल्यू क्या चलेगी, C इज इक्वल टू A प्लस बी, द C वी हैव टू फाइंड द फोर्थ टर्म, एंड फॉर द फोर्थ टर्म वी द सम ऑफ दीज टू टर्म्स. सो दिस इज 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now the value of C is equal to 2, and after that the value of A, here I write the logic, A is equal to B. Now from here Now this is the value of A and this is value of B and the next term that is C. Now A is equal to B. A के पास अब क्या आ गया, B की वैल्यू. अब B की वैल्यू क्या होगी, A की वैल्यू क्या होगी 1 एंड आगे B की वैल्यू क्या होगी हमारे पास, B इज इक्वल टू C. अब C की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पर 2. फिर से हमारी इंक्रीमेंट होगी स्टेटमेंट. अब केस नंबर 3. अब हमारे पास I की वैल्यू क्या होगी 5. फिर से कंडीशन चेक होगी, कंडीशन फिर से ट्रू होगी एंड आफ्टर डैट यहाँ पर क्या होगा, C इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B. नाउ सीरीज हमारे पास इस तरह से आ गई है, ये हमारे पास आ गई 2. अब हम इन दोनों को लेकर नेक्स्ट वैल्यू निकालेंगे. अब ये हमारे पास वैल्यू क्या होगी A, ये हमारे पास वैल्यू क्या होगी B. अब C इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B, सो A प्लस B इज इक्वल टू 3. अब B की वैल्यू A में शिफ्ट हो जाएगी. नाउ A की वैल्यू क्या होगी 2 एंड B की वैल्यू क्या होगी हमारे पास 3. After that there is the increment statement. Now the loop will be stopped because here I write here increment 6 and 6 is less than is equal to 5. The condition is false and the cursor the compiler moves the cursor to the end of the statement. So that is the whole program that I have to discuss with you. That is the main program. So now run the program. So here firstly you see, so now firstly compile the program. For compilation Alt plus C, so success. After that running. So enter the number to find the series. So I write here 5. So the compiler gives me message 0 1 1 2 3, but we have find. Now फिर से again for the higher order I write here 12. So for 12 the series is this type. So if the video is guys knowledgeable, kindly like, subscribe and share it. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Goodbye.